Hello people, welcome to day 5 of Waxvent. And now this is my patient.
Your patient? Yes, this is.
This is my patient. Oh, look at this. We've got some super dry sort of skin and dry block of wax in here. Quite narrow ear canals as well.
Isn't it?
This is the standard size ulnar tube we've got here, and going into the ear, you could see it was quite a tight one. So what I'm hoping,
oh, that's not nice.
no. What I'm hoping for is to get a really good grip, and then I'm going to be able to just kind of shimmy it around.
Yeah.
I don't think it's going to happen though, looking at how it's moving and where it's attached.
It's not really moving, is it?
No.
And that's a solid plug. That's going to be difficult to get out of this canal, isn't it? Most definitely.
I think, if I can remember, because this was recorded a few days ago, I'm sorry guys. If I can remember, I think we do actually use some curettage in here.
I'm surprised you haven't got a Rosen insert in there already.
I think I do use one. I think at some point. I think.
Nah.
No.
I don't know. I can't remember.
You can see it's this grey sort of sheet of like slightly fresher, dry, thick skin on the outer part where we've just shimmied this across a little bit. There it is. It comes. Now we're just gonna try it because it looks quite tough. It looks quite hard. Now I'm gonna. See, I'm kind of flicking straight off the wax here. I'm trying to just dig the tip of the Rosen insert into the wax, and I'm putting a bit of pressure on here. I'm actually really giving this a good pull, and you can see how tight this is in there. Oh.
That's what you're going to have to ask Santa for Christmas. You're going to have to have more Rosen inserters.
But I'm going to have to get more of them, yeah. Running low.
Yeah.
Problem I'm getting now is that I've started already creating that kind of little
groove.
Yeah, a little groove in there now. So I'm just trying to almost push this down slightly so I can just get the Jobson horn. I forgot the name of the tool then. Jobson horn behind.
Oh dear.
You can see we're slowly getting there. It's slowly pulling. You can just see it all like breaking apart, and yeah, a bit of a tough one. This. We're technically right at the entrance of the ear here. I'm just trying to squeeze this.
Oh, it's solid, isn't it?
Plug. Yeah, it's
like
tough.
A lump of coal.
It is, yeah.
Keeping the Christmas theme there, guys. Yeah, shoehorn that in.
Here we are, just trying to roll this out. I'm not actually sort of holding up again. I'm literally hovering outside of the head here to try and get this through. Rolling the wax all around the ear. I'm pretty sure I dropped a little piece on the patient as well.
Oh, I've done that loads of times. Yeah.
It's happened quite a few times.
It just goes. Do you know what the most frustrating thing is when you drop in, you can't see it, you can't find it. It must just be stuck to them somewhere if you don't know where.
And you can see where this is actually detaching now. Right at the back, we've got like a whitish sort of, or like a light yellow sort of section essentially of this like thicker dead skin. As we're rolling this forward, just drawing the deeper section forward also. So we're pulling some forwards, we're going back, we're just pulling it forwards, we're pulling back. If that made any sense.
Yeah, I followed it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do.
I'm glad someone did. I don't think I was following it myself. There we go. This should be the last bit now. Oh, look at that.
Wow, that's a good one.
Patient could feel that actually coming out as that kind of popped through the ear canal. He was like, oh, that actually felt quite nice. We've had it sometimes where a patient will go, oh, and I'm like, are you okay? And he was like, no, it's really nice.
Yeah,
keep going.
Especially with that dry skin underneath.
Yeah. Eardrum looking nice and healthy though. We obviously would advise patients like this who've got issues with the skin to come into clinic, get them checked at least twice a year usually. But some people can go a year without any problems. But yeah, just get checked on a regular basis. Mine doesn't jingle as well.
Go on, you do it and I'll jingle for you.
So we got
angels. I'm giving angels wings here, guys. Right? This is every time a bell rings and all that. I've seen It's a Wonderful Life couples. Do you know what that's from?
This is A Wonderful Life.
It's A Wonderful Life. Yeah. Clarence. I think it's Clarence was the name of the angel. It's my mum's favourite Christmas film.
I can't remember.
Did I do inches?
No, I don't think we did.
Inch and a quarter.
There we are.
Yeah. Well, guys, thank you very much for watching Waxvent day 5 of Waxvent even. We shall be back tomorrow for day 6. Members, you'll be getting your video as well tomorrow. So, guys, as always, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another. Thank you. We shall see you tomorrow. Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.